The internet has opened up incredible opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your home. You don't need a lot of money to start. With a small investment and some dedication, you can build a successful online business. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a complete career change, the possibilities are endless. Let's explore some practical ways to make money online. Freelancing is a great way to turn your skills into income. It allows you to work on projects that you are passionate about and offers the freedom to choose your clients and assignments. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or web development? These are just a few examples of skills that are in high demand in the freelancing world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with freelancers. These platforms provide a marketplace where you can find a variety of projects that match your skill set. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Make sure to highlight your experience and any relevant work samples to attract potential clients. Starting with freelancing is affordable. You don't need a lot of upfront investment. You need a computer and an internet connection. These basic tools are enough to get you started on your freelancing journey. Invest in a good quality microphone and webcam for video calls with clients. Clear communication is key to building strong relationships and ensuring project success. Freelancing offers flexibility and control over your work schedule. You can work from anywhere, at any time, making it easier to balance work and personal life. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates. Building a strong portfolio and client base will help you command higher fees for your services. Freelancing can be a stepping stone to building your own agency or consulting business. It provides valuable experience and networking opportunities that can help you grow your career in the long term. E-commerce is booming. You can start your own online store without holding any inventory. This is called dropshipping. You partner with a dropshipping supplier who stores and ships products directly to your customers. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up an online store. Choose a niche market, find a reliable dropshipping supplier, and list products on your website. Focus on marketing and customer service. Dropshipping has low startup costs. You don't need to invest in inventory up front. You only pay for products when a customer places an order. This makes it a low-risk business model. Section 4. Digital products. Creating value, earning recurring income. Digital products offer incredible income potential. Create an ebook, online course, or template once and sell it multiple times. This means you can earn money while you sleep, as your products are available 24/7. Share your knowledge or skills with a global audience. Reach people from different parts of the world without leaving your home. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to sell digital products. They handle payments, delivery, and even customer support. Market your products through social media, email marketing, and content marketing. Use these tools to reach a wider audience and drive more sales. Offer valuable content that solves a specific problem for your target audience. This builds trust and positions you as an expert in your field. Digital products can generate recurring income. As more people discover your products, your income can grow exponentially. Offer subscriptions to your online course or membership site. This ensures a steady stream of income and keeps your audience engaged. Provide ongoing value to your customers. Regular updates and new content keep them coming back for more. And build a loyal following. Engage with your community, listen to their feedback, and continuously improve your offerings. Section 5. Practical tips for online success. Start small and focus on one thing. Don't try to do everything at once. Choose one method and master it. Invest in your skills. Continuously learn and improve your skills to stay ahead of the competition. Build a strong online presence. Create a professional website or social media profiles. Market your services or products effectively. Reach your target audience through social media, email marketing, and content marketing. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly and resolve issues efficiently. Section 6. Real-world examples, from passion to profit. In this section, we will explore inspiring stories of individuals who have successfully transformed their passions into profitable ventures, demonstrating that with dedication and creativity, anyone can turn their hobbies into a source of income. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, turned her passion for baking into a thriving online business. She began by experimenting with different recipes in her kitchen, perfecting her craft over time. She started by selling cakes locally at farmers markets and community events, gaining a loyal customer base. Encouraged by the positive feedback, she launched an online store offering not only her delicious cakes, but also baking supplies and online baking courses to share her expertise with others. John, a freelance writer, built a successful career by providing high-quality content to businesses. He initially took on small projects, writing for content mills to gain experience and improve his skills. As he honed his craft, John gradually increased his rates and started working with more prestigious clients. He meticulously built his portfolio, showcasing his best work, which helped him attract higher-paying opportunities and establish a solid reputation in the industry. Emily, a graphic designer, created and sold digital design templates on Etsy. She combined her artistic skills with her knowledge of market trends to develop unique and appealing designs. She marketed her products through social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where she showcased her designs and engaged with potential customers. This strategy not only increased her visibility, but also generated passive income from her digital products, allowing her to focus on creating even more innovative designs. Section 7. Take action. Your online income journey starts now. Making money online is within your reach. Start small, stay focused, and be persistent. The internet offers endless opportunities. Take the first step today and turn your online income goals into reality.